Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. So today we're going to be going into Hello Kitty slime. The slime is called SlimeyGloop. And also got this one right here. And it is called Hello Kitty and Friends SlimeyGloop Mix-Ins. Also we have this Cinnamoroll cup of slime. It's like noodles. So let's get into this. So we have this Hello Kitty slime gloop. Okay, so we're gonna get this started. And we're gonna open this one first. Ew. Got that off. So here it is. It's really, really beautiful. And it has foam beads in it. So has some glitter too. So take it out. Ew, it's kind of slobbery. Like, it's kind of wet too. It's kind of wet. But it is really pretty. We're gonna fill it. It's kind of soft. It's pretty. But yeah. I'm gonna try to find the charm. I can't find it. If I just like. Did I find it? I found it. So I found it. Let me get this all ready and good because like it's all like slimy. I'm trying to get all the slime off. It's so hard. I'm gonna rate the slime. So it is a lot wet and gross a little. It's not as sticky, but it just feels really gross. So I think I might rate this probably a 7.5. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a 7.5. I'm trying to get all this off. I feel like that's just, this is good enough. Here it is. It's just this Hello Kitty mermaid. It's good slime. It's really pretty, but I probably just, it's really wet. It's just gross. So we're gonna put it back in the container. Let's see if it makes a fart noise. It doesn't. Yeah, it does. Okay. Next, we got the ramen noodles. So, cup of slime, like ramen noodles. I need the scissors. So I'm gonna peel this off. I didn't expect that. Okay, weird. What? Okay. It's here. We're just gonna. Okay. We got some noodles, some stretchy noodles. I thought it came with two. We got Cinnamoroll. Yeah. And then you got some noodles. I feel like these are gonna be stretchy. Yeah, they all are stretchy. So, and then we have this right here. It's supposed to be vanilla. And it's just water, right? Is it? I think so. So, we're gonna open this. I'm gonna need my scissors. It's water slime. I like it. It smells like vanilla. Maybe the scent is vanilla. Wait. So it says it here. Yeah, but I think the scent is vanilla because it smells like vanilla, but it doesn't look like vanilla. I like slapping it. It's like really wet, like the other one, but even wetter. Okay. So we're gonna put it in there. Now my hands smell like vanilla. But okay. They're so soft. They are. They're so pretty. They're so soft. We got yellow, like a yellowish green, and this blue. They're really bright colors. So I'm gonna put these ones in first. Just go in. And then we got the yellow ones. I like the blue ones because that's my favorite color. So I'm gonna put that in there. I'm trying to mix you. They don't go together. They just sit. Put the charm in. Sorry. But the rating for this, I mean, like, if you were a kid and you got this slime, I mean, it's really cute and fun. I like how you get a charm and noodles, but I think I'm gonna rate it a 5 out of 10. So today, it's time for the big prize. Okay, so now we can pull it. I think I need to pull. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it out from like this side. So yeah, it won't fall out. So first we're gonna start with my favorite one. This is my favorite character and it's my favorite color. This is my favorite color and my favorite Hello Kitty guy. I didn't expect that. It's sticky. And it's wet again. I can't get it. Why is it not coming out? This is really, really pretty. I love this one actually. It's not actually as wet. It's pretty though. If you can see, let's let it focus. It has glitter. I just love it. I'm gonna rate this. Did I rate the other? Yeah, I'm gonna rate this. Probably gonna have to be an 8 out of 10. It's really pretty. I love it. But we're gonna rate it. Actually, I'm changing my mind. It's gonna be a 9 out of 10. Because I don't think it's gonna be a 10 out of 10 today. But yeah, it's nice. I wish it farts, but it doesn't. Because it doesn't. I want it to fart. Okay. Now we're gonna move on to the yellow. It's another Hello Kitty and Friends. So I'm just gonna open it. Smooth right here. Ew. Is this one gonna... This one does not want to come out again. If I just wrap it around. Ew. Gross. This one's real wet. Really wet. Gross. But it's pretty like the blue one. It's the same exact slime. It's the same. It's soft. And it's the same exact. And it feels the same as the other one. And it's just a different color. Listen. So I'm gonna put that in there. So now we're gonna... They're not cooperating today. This one's not actually as... Okay, this is probably the wettest now. They added more glitter to this one. A lot more glitter to this one. So yeah, they did. They did add a lot more glitter. It's soft. It's just like the other ones. I'm just gonna rate all of them a 9 out of 10 because they feel the same. This one's just glittery. More glittery. But yeah, they feel the same. So yeah, they're all a 9 out of 10. Doughy kind of slime. This doesn't feel right. I don't think this is right. Is it supposed to be so rippy? Like, it's kind of like a, oh wait, look at that. It's so like, soft. It's like, kind of rippy. Also like, squishy and kind of hard to squish. It's like a putty. This is like a putty. But it's a really pretty color. Not color. I don't know why I said that. So, we're gonna get to the glitter. First, we got this packet right here. Just some glitter. Glitter. Y'all know that, guys. Glitter. We have the whole crew right here. And then we have Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. Hello Kitty. So, I'm gonna start with the foam beads. We're gonna do, which one should we do first? I'm gonna do my favorite first. It's probably gonna have a charm. I'm gonna take this out and pour it in here now. Wait, maybe I can make a bowl. How I usually do it, I just make a bowl like this. Yeah, I don't know why I'm going so slow. Okay, I think that's enough for now. What if? Okay, good. Now we're gonna close it like this. Now we're gonna wrap it like that, and then wrap it like that. Okay. So you're gonna, feels like weird, and then I'm gonna, so I'm gonna mix it in now. I think we're gonna go crazy. And add some more. Okay. That's a lot. They're all falling. Oh no. They're coming out. Okay, that's a lot. So, got foam beads. We're gonna add more. They fell again. Okay. I'm gonna add all. Because I'm just special like that. Let's mix it now. Okay, we're good with foam beads. With this one. Okay, go with this one. Good with this one, please. I can't even fit in here again. I can barely even fit in here. Okay, can you go now? Guess I'll just be overflowing. So it's time for yellow. Yellow. Cut that part out. It's time for yellow. That way. So, gonna put this on the table. Table. Gonna actually do something else. Just gonna go like this, guys. Let's set it like that. And spread it all the way out. And then roll it like this. sparkle. I'm just kidding. Now we're gonna do this. Okay. We're gonna add these right here. I'm gonna stick my finger in there. Take it out. How does it actually stick? I don't like poke all around. Should I? Okay. I'm just gonna do that. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Should I just add all? Yeah, I'm just gonna add all. That's so pretty. Uh-oh. How do I get my hands? Get off, please. You're gonna get some on you. This might be my favorite one. Okay, you're gonna move it more to the camera. Maybe it'll come off when it's not coming off. Uh-oh. It's pretty. It's not coming off. Why will it not come off? Okay. I guess I'll have glittery hands forever. Since I'm just gonna have to. That's why I said I'm gonna regret myself from doing this. Oh, there's slime over here. There's some over here. It's really pretty. Okay, it does not look green anymore. I mean, it looks green, but not as. Why is he spiking me so much? Not as green. I don't know if you see in the camera, it probably looks dark green to you, but to me, it looks white with just glitter. So, it's between my fingers now. Put it back in its container. Got 2 done. And 2 more to go. Got this one. Okay. Now we're gonna just pour it in like that and spray it up on the top. Okay. Done with this one. Pretty pink, pretty pink. Somebody just scream. These are the winners. Yeah! Woohoo! You see this? It matches. Matches. Match your dasses. This is your charm. Whee! Cover. Cover. And now it's just a dumpling with some favors inside. Now, you right here. You Hello Kitty, because it's dance party time. Dance. Dumpling with the surprise inside. Today, it was kind of actually fun. But, guys, the SlimeyGloop, the Hello Kitty SlimeyGloop, I'm going to make another video of like a Hello Kitty theme, but probably not like slime, maybe like sandy Play-Doh kind of thing. But if you get this Hello Kitty slime kits, any of these Hello Kitty slime kits, I really like them because they're really fun. I feel like they'll be really fun for kids and like all this kind of stuff because you even get to find your own charm in here. This right here is actually really fun. I mean, like, you get a little charm, you get noodles, you get some slime. I mean, like, it's really fun. It's really wet, but it's really, really fun. If you want to join Mace's Fun Club, just remember to like and subscribe. Bye! Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. So today, let's get into this. Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. So today we're going to go into Hello Kitty slime. No. Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. No. Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. So today we're going to be doing Hello Kitty stuff. That was good. Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club. Today we're going to be going into Hello Kitty stuff. Hey guys, welcome back to Mace's Fun Club.